The greater than operator is a relational operator used to compare two values. It returns true if the value on the left side is greater than the value on the right side. Otherwise, it returns false. This operator is commonly used with numeric types such as integers, floats, and doubles. It can also be used with characters, where the comparison is based on their Unicode values. In some cases, it can be used with user-defined types that support comparison through custom logic.